everyone, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now taking the right side of the hair from the bottom, make a braid in the left side and then roll it upwards, pin it up on the top right side. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place and insert a decorative pin on the other side. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, however do not pull it all the way through. Insert a pin about midway through as such, and then using the sections that you have newly created, make a braid out of the hair. As you make the braid, keep including more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Join the two together in the center at the back. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then tie a ponytail at the bottom. Now divide this ponytail into 3 parts and then make 3 braids out of it. Join all 3 braids together and then roll it upwards in order to make it a bun. Fasten it in place using a multiple pronged decorative pin. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, divide this into 2 parts, make a ponytail starting with the right side. Taking the right side, pull it through the top left section. Now taking the left section, pull it through the top right side and pin it up in its place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Now take a small section of the hair from the left side and then pull it through the upper section. Do the same one more time and then do the same on the right side as well. In the center at the back, make a braid out of the hair, roll this braid upwards and then pin it up in the center at the back using a bobby pin. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then at the bottom, tie a ponytail to the hair. Add another rubber band at the bottom and then roll this up into a bun. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place at the back and make a bun out of the hair. Adjust it as need be. Gather all of the hair together. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, make a division in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. After you have rolled the hair around it, gather all of the hair around it and then tie a rubber band to it, make it into a bun. Now add a decorative rubber band on top of this to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, roll this ponytail in on itself, and then add a rubber band in the middle section once you're done with this. Making a small cavity, put the rest of the hair into it, roll this up into a bun, and now fasten this in place using a multiple prong decorative pin at the top of this. Adjust the hair as need be. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Take a decorative hair twine and then pull it through the ponytail. Now, twist this ponytail and then twist it around the hair twine. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it once you are done and then wrap this up into a bun. Now, press it tight and then adjust the decorative piece in a place that you want it to be. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together, insert it into the gap that is present in this hair twine. Now begin to twist it around and then going from the bottom, begin to roll it upwards as such. As you roll it upwards, bring it together in the center at the back and then press it tight together. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then twist this and then after you've twisted it, wrap it around and then use a hair stick in order to wrap it around. Afterwards, make a bun out of it and then push the hair stick through onto the other side. Next, gather hair up into a ponytail, twist this ponytail, then wrap this ponytail into a bun. Now adjust the hair around it as need be, and then once you are done with this, you may take your retractable clip, loosen it, adjust it, and then press it tight around your bun. This is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by leaving a section of the hair out from the front and then bring them to the back and tie it up. Now roll the hair in on itself. Loosen the sides of it using your fingers. After you have done this, add a decorative bow on top of this. This will be the final look of it. Thank you for watching.